Hey, I'm Fish. As we ride along, and I think out loud what I like and dislike about a thing. So today, boat's going out. One don't have the lights on. We're just hanging out right over here. Before sunrise, we have the colors of the sky starting to light up and a different formation and clouds showing there. And the snapper are running. You can see them sprinting all over the place, jumping up and going by. And below the snapper are gonna be some big fish. Just sit here and you'll see those giant ripples. There you go. I told you so. Well, it's a beautiful sunrise starting to happen. I just wish I had my fishing pole. I could have been catching bait for the big one. Let's ride on out. One of the well-known places and entrances, Lundy's. No more. A lot of history. As we could look inside, you'll see a nice big mural. Pastries waiting just for you. Super fresh. When the doors are open, you could go see the photos. Pips, the new Captain Walters, Mario's, and of course, Randazzles. The place to come to and eat. We're not switching off at Super Night. It's still in the darkness. And here we can switch off of Super Night. Well, that's my bike ride for today. Caught the shot I wanted to show and share. The shot of the show. Oh, yeah. Well, that's my vlog. I got these little key pads, and they're all long. Little luggage locks, and they are cute. I'll show you what they look like. You got one to put on? They're all over. They don't light up. Maybe they do. I thought they were cute. And on that note, we'll see you on the next day, the next show. I'm gonna start to count how many locks there are. You ever been to the locks? I have, and they're all over the world. Have a great one.